Hi, my name is Bram Begonia. I'm the president and CEO of the Bay Area Rescue Mission, and I'm a student at City Vision University, and I'm graduating with an MBA in social entrepreneurship, which I'm very thankful for. Um, Before I joined City Vision University, I was already in leadership, executive leadership for maybe over 15 years, and I just thought I need something to keep me sharp. I need something to move me forward and to help me galvanize the team. And so I just thought I'll experiment. I had other people at my place of work who were using City Vision. I thought, oh, try it, and I couldn't be more happy with the process. It was relevant to what we're doing at the Bay Area Rescue Mission. Several of my projects came to fruition in real life because of the opportunity, and it's given us a great language, a common language for our staff to participate in, like competing values framework. And so all these things have really helped me kind of move forward in my leadership. And graduating from City Vision University has helped me do a few things. Number one, I'm the first person in my family to get an MBA, which is really cool, and I can show my kids as well that we you can do it, right? And my family, so that's really cool. And it's also helped me refine my leadership, giving me the skills to take my leadership to the next level, to galvanize my executive team. It gives me help with my board moving forward. And so there's a lot of real practical applications that I've learned at City Vision that has helped me move forward. I have the love of learning again, which I thank City Vision University for. And I'm looking forward to using all the things that I've learned moving forward. So thank you so much.